Hello friends, I am back with another video. It's related to the power problem of Redmi or Xiaomi phones. My phone was working good and one day it suddenly switched off and started on and off repeatedly. Then I inserted the charger. It works, but eliminating the charger again goes to the same state, on and off. I want to share my problem with you guys. I took my phone to a nearby Xiaomi service center. They told me your battery is dead. You have to change your battery. I was wondering. My battery health was good because one fully charged, it was running a day. I told my friend about the problem, then he shared his experience. He told me it's not the battery problem, it's a battery protection circuit problem attached to the battery. He told me to destroy the resistor and short it. I took my phone from the center and back home. Now let's begin the video on how I made my phone without replacing the battery. Let's take these screws out. Unplug the connections carefully. The battery protection circuit is hidden with black tape. Just cut it out carefully. Here the resistor is, we need to destroy it. We have to be careful, otherwise the battery terminal may be short with random circuit terminals and cause a blast. Our connection is done. Now let's switch on the power of the phone. Finally, my Redmi Note 9 Pro phone is ready. I made it without losing battery cost $3K. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.